It starts with a bolo and a stolen black Tesla, but within moments, officers lock in and close the gap. What looks like a routine locate quickly turns into a high-risk felony stop. Tension builds fast. Multiple units, unclear suspect count, and one wrong move here could turn deadly. Would you stay aggressive or hold back?
Fort Smith on 1037, Arkansas, boy out of Sam, 70 Mary. It's a black Tesla. We're in Van Buren, trying to get back to the Midland Brace, looks like. Yeah, we're going south on Midland, headed back towards Fort Smith. South on 59. TVI. Show me your hands! Get out of the car! Put your hands up before I fucking shoot you! We're on South 3rd, just south of 59. Both of you leave your hands up. Alright, I got a passenger and driver. Both cooperative. You can get me Van Buren here. Get him out of the car. Turn the car off. Turn it off. Okay, climb out the window. Climb.
This is where things get unpredictable. Officers are dealing with multiple occupants, limited visibility, and rising tension. Notice the commands: loud, repetitive, and clear. That's control under pressure. One sudden move, and this could escalate instantly. Would you approach closer, or keep distance and wait?
I'm out the window! Yep. Roll it down and climb out. Alright. Just stay right there. Put your hands back up. We'll call the passenger out first. Alright. Passenger, take your seatbelt off. Step out with your hands up. Come over here. Turn around.
Walk back.
Walk back. Alright.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking right here. Get on your knees. On your knees. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Get on your knees.
crawl out that passenger side. Yeah. You're the only one left in that car, right? Okay. Crawl out that passenger side. You'll move over there.
Clean, controlled, and by the book, officers slowed it down, separated the suspects, and kept command presence from start to finish. No unnecessary risks, no rushed moves. That's how high-risk stops should be handled. What do you think? Textbook execution or too aggressive? Drop your thoughts and subscribe for more real pursuit breakdowns.
Turn around, face that way. Put your hands on your back.
How are y'all 10-15?
You have anything illegal on you?
Not on me.
Not on you? Anything illegal in that car? Alright, come over here. Can you hold him right here for me? I hadn't searched him yet.